crash. News 12 Long Island's Venice Toussaint has the story.
Like a 3/4 inch hex.
I feel it hitting my...
Okay, so sometimes they can pop.
Lammy is 39 jaar gelede in Johannesburg dieretuin. Lammy? Oh!
Live from Bloopers World in New York. Oh my goodness, it's so nice to be next to each other. In stereo.
Qui a les pieds dans l'eau. Attention, Fanny, il y a une grosse vague derrière. Oh non. Alors attendez. C'est notre caméraman qui a dû avoir un petit souci. La vague a été plus forte que prévu. Fanny, tu es toujours là?
Le micro fonctionne.
Je m'attendais à la douche ce matin.
Haters gonna hate, 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 hate. I'm gonna shake, 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 shake. Shake it off, shake it off.
You need a hug.
Sometimes.
Yeah, and according to a new study, giving a hug may help a loved one more than you realize.
That's right. You need a hug. It's homecoming weekend. You should need a hug.
Bring it over here, man.
You need a hug.
Come on, man. I love you. You got issues. I love you. Right. All right. Hold on. Okay, y'all. All right. One more. Sorry. Perfect.
From CCTV News headquarters in Beijing, this is Asia Today.
You want to be careful driving through that much water. And you know what? You got to thank Dan Elliott for you being there. He's the one that noticed that this morning. So if you get nailed and come back all wet. Exactly.
А этот вот асфальт, он вот он ходит. Вот так вот.
Давай руку, давай, давай.
We're going to talk sports. Joakim Noah coming up huge in the final 4 minutes of this game. Offensive rebounding also key for the Bulls. They had 20 boards.
Rob, let's see it. Wow. Look at that. Oh. Yeah, Rob. Whoa, whoa. Whitlock, make it rain. Oh, whoa. Whoa, nicely done, Rob. Magic Mike 3.
This is a house party. Rob Gronkowski.
Rob.
I couldn't be more blessed.
Just a little fight going on in the background. I apologize for that.
Time for a pie in the face. We'll have a live report next. Oh.
Jesus. Can receive some employment assistance where they'll be getting some resume and application help. The production plant will be shut down in Faith.
Bueno, antes que nada y antes de despedirme quiero darle un gran saludo a la mamita de Abel, de Priscila y a todas las mamitas que nos están viendo en este momento. Muchos besos y que sea siempre un motivo para celebrarlas.
Проголосовать за снос включенного в программу реновации дома. У меня тут собака. Ага. Можно будет через интернет или в районном отделении МФС. Артем Васёв расскажет подробнее. Что у меня делает собака в студии, ребят? Я вообще кошатница. Я кошатница, я люблю кошек.
Thunderstorms. There's thunderstorms. You guys ready? Stay home. Don't go out. It's raining. It's just me and you.
I want to go to my safe place.
I love you guys.
We love you. See you later. Let's talk about your forecast.
Mike, you got anything over there for your health?
Why don't we go to break? We'll be right back.
He said he'd had an emergency defecation situation and needed to use her bathroom, but the judge in the case found he had a sexual motive.
Ну давай же, хотя бы один раз. Давай. Понад 6000 год. Блин, ну вообще наглость. Идиоты. Давай. Понад 6000 голландців пішою ходою дістануться. Ладно, все, короче, кто бы ни проходил, все равно буду говорить. Понад 6000 голландців пішою ходою дістануться стадіону.
Don't be surprised if you hear lightning, see thunder after midnight, and once that front pushes through.
Well, I hope your first morning of 2016 is off to a pretty good start. You're going to need to...
And we're in the 70s today. Temperatures tomorrow.
Vamos, tira la música para yo enseñarle.
¿Cómo es la cosa?
Es así. Entonces ella tiene que hacer así, tiene que poner la mano. Entonces el pelo tiene que ser así. ¡Ja! Como con más glamour, tú ves, y las manos, y dar pelo, y vuelta, y así, y así. Así que
Clarisa,
ya tú sabes,
ya
Serena,
llegaste a la
aquí
número
estoy.
3 más bella del mundo.
La número 3 hasta llegar a la corona, Raúl.
A ver, Janet, ya aquí ya subió la temperatura. Mejor platícanos cómo va a estar el clima en estos siguientes.
Selfie stick, ¿verdad? Con el selfie stick.
Watching the roadways for you, wanted to chart.
Oops. Now, no delays associated with that, and green in both directions. We'll have another full update. All right.
When did we get an elevator in the studio? That's cool.
How much you spent?
21.
21? And how much do you think you'll spend on the entire trip?
30 grand.
30? You mean 3?
Well, I spent 21,000 on the tickets.
21,000? I thought you were 2,100.
Don't tell my wife.
Are you joking right now?
No.
Why?
Well, for 4 tickets. For the 4 of us.
Wow, that's
Through
a lot,
Prime
man.
Sports, got the tailgate thing, the Broncos tailgate package, all that jazz. So.
And what if you guys lose?
We're not going to.
But what if you do? Are you
won't.
Dude, I was trying to get to San Antonio. I don't know what the roads I was on until they shot my car. I didn't know they was gonna shoot at me. Damn, they're shooting at me. I ain't even got no gun.
So what is something about having drugs?
Huh?
Did you have weed on you?
Yeah, I had weed on me. Yeah, I always got weed on me.
Is that why you ran?
Mm-hmm. I'm tired of getting arrested for weed. I'm tired of going to. I can't get a regular job ever anywhere because all my weed
Earlier
drugs.
about the thrill of driving. Was that a thrill?
The thrill was drive. It was definitely a thrill. You go fast in any car, race car, track, here. It's fun anyway to me. I'm just an adrenaline junkie.
A Stanford wide receiver making a jaw-dropping catch that you're about to see. And we're not going to show it to you, actually, right now. How's that for a tease, huh?
And Shane's going to talk to the 184-pound champion from Iowa, Sammy Brooks.
This place got real loud, Sammy. Big Ten champion, this storied program in this arena. Pretty special day for you.
Yeah, I mean, it did get loud in here. I think these fans just respond really well to a good haircut. So that's what I was working on coming in here, to making sure I had it fluffed and feathered the right way. And I think the fans saw my hard work.
I don't know where I go from that, but we'll go in the direction of consistency and trust. You trust yourself right now.
Yeah, it's something I gain trust every time my hair grows a little more and a little more. I trust in myself and my mullet. So it's a process, you know. You can't grow a great mullet in a day. You can't win a Big Ten title in a day.
The fact that I haven't gotten benefits in 3 months because the VA is so fucked up, really.
And we apologize. I know Jacob apologizes. We all join him in apologizing for a bit of French that snuck in to our English language translation there.
Mexico's going to pay for the wall because he knows Mexico needs the U.S. when it comes to trade, just the way the U.S. needs Mexico.
I have to say that I am not going to pay for that fucking wall. I am not. And he should know that, and I'm not going to apologize.
Talking about the fact that Ted Cruz has fired his spokesman. We're probably going to have a lot more later today.
Well, Carrie, I'm afraid we could not hear most of that because the gunpowder the firepower was a little bit too great.
Well, hopefully I'll be the only thing you'll be writing.
Okay, Dan Elliott.
All right, I'll take it.
Texas high school student who made news bringing a homemade clock to school is now suing the school district for $15 million.
It's like ice in a dry ice in a bucket of water. Sorry.
This fire starting just before 10 last night, burning until this morning, destroying 11 vehicles, including salt spreaders and sweet streepers.
During their speeches, sorry, we have
we have a bit of an issue here. You may want to come back to me. Thank you.
The electorate are sick and tired of the people that they don't... Oh!
It's all right, Lisa, I saved you.
Give us one word to describe what you're going through right now.
Sucky. Sucky is the word I would use.
All right. Chick, watch your back, buddy. Watch out! Watch out!
Roll. I'm sorry.
I'm so sorry I did that. Oh, laugh this hard. Are we on TV?
Workers at a highway maintenance building in Mattoon are also using water in buckets to wash their hands.
Let's look at traffic. I'm sorry. Let's send it back over to the side.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean for you to fall on camera. All right, I'm gonna go back.
What you're seeing is actually a dog coming into our live shot. I think it's a dog. I'm not sure. But anyway, there's some sort of creature below me, and really all that's been affected is what's supposed to be a road right below my feet, and it's just basically covered in mud. But other than that, there's not much damage to report, so some great news. Jenny Hardman is tracking traffic. We noticed down here that the roads weren't too bad. How are they looking throughout the rest of the state?
Yes, and Morgan, I hope that's a dog too. If not, go get in the truck.
Yeah,
Chase is freaking out. He doesn't think it's a dog, so maybe go check.
We're going to be dodging some scattered showers and storms this afternoon, this evening, tomorrow, Sunday. Remember, I'm just the messenger out of all this, okay? First thing this morning, you can see all that rain is farther off to the north. We move ahead in time. I'm glad I got everyone to laugh on that one because it's like, come on, every single weekend, isn't it?
Poor Laura, you got it, girl. We don't blame you.
I love you guys. You're great. Still on TV. Okay. So here we go.
Booty is all about releasing your first and second chakra, bringing in a lot of energy, cardio, more open.
And sweaty.
Will you tell
Yes, Javier.
Kiki the secret is out and it's shaking all over the place?
So the men who are working here at 3TV are not mature enough to handle this segment, okay?
That's why they're not invited, right? That is why they're not invited.
So they have the right idea by not allowing men into the classroom. No offense to our male viewers right now, but I imagine you're hitting the DVR button. We'll let you enjoy that downward dog.
That's a great new place out there.
April, you have to follow this. Good luck.